So the question is, the words or graphics in the text file or PDF file are written or edited using coordinate geometry. If text is represented by x-axis and graphics by y-axis, then use the following graph to answer the given questions based on the position of text and graphics represented by different points on different pages of any PDF file. Read the above information and answer the following questions. So dear student, the information is given in form of graph. We have to answer the questions. So first question is, what are the coordinates of A? What are the coordinates of A? So this is point A. So it is in front of 1 in x-axis. Along x-axis it is in front of 1. So its x coordinate is 1, or we can see its distance from y-axis is 1. That way also we can say, but this is very easy that it is in front of 1 in terms of x-axis, so its x coordinate is 1, and it is in front of 3 on y-axis, so its y coordinate is 3. It means coordinate of point A is 1, 3. Now second question. Second question is, name the point represented by 3, -3. So in front of 3 on x-axis, in front of 3 on x-axis and in front of -3 on y-axis, the point is this C. So the answer is point C is represented by 3, -3. Now third part. What is the sum of the abscissa of B and ordinate of D? So abscissa of D and ordinate of D. Where is point D? This is point D. First we can write the coordinate of D. It is in front of -3 on x-axis and in front of -1 on y-axis. So coordinate of point D is -3, -1. This is point D. We have to find the sum of abscissa of B and ordinate of D. This is point B. We have to write the point B also. This is point B. And this is in front of 2 on y-axis and in front of -2 on x-axis. So coordinate of point B is -2, 2. So the sum of abscissa of B and ordinate of D. Sum of abscissa of B. What is abscissa of B? -2. And ordinate of D. Ordinate of D is -1. Because we know if point is in the form of x, y, then x is abscissa and y is ordinate. So abscissa of B is -2 and ordinate of D is -1. So -2 plus -1, that is -2, -1. It means the sum is -3. So this is one answer. Other is, what will be the change in the sum if point D is shifted to origin? So now, if point D is shifted to origin, then the coordinate of D becomes 0, 0. Then sum will be sum of abscissa of B. It is still -2, but ordinate of D now becomes 0 because point D is shifted to origin, which is 0, 0. So ordinate is 0. So in this case, the sum will be -2. So dear student, this is solution. What we did, just understood the graph, just read the graph and answer the questions.